Hello, my friend, and welcome to another episode of Creative Keepsakes. Here I want to share with you the creation of our home library. How we went on from just a few shelves housing our books and paintings to creating a custom-made library with IKEA shelves. We hand-built them ourselves, and then we spent hours, several days and nights arranging them in the bookshelves. As you can see, this was the finished result, and we were quite pleased with how it turned out to be. All of our friends have commented and liked this library, and it has provided a lovely and cozy setting for many dinner parties, for photo shoots, for podcast recording, for art classes, for Christmas backgrounds, for many interesting and creative events. It looks absolutely stunning in any light, in daylight, in winter light. Here you see December light versus evening light and low lighting as well. It has also been a wonderful setting for dinner parties, for entertaining friends and family, for making cozy atmosphere with candles, with flowers, as well as relaxing, watching a movie, taking those books and reading, also working and writing inside this space, creating creative photo shoots, designing inside this space, and providing inspiration for designs elsewhere, like in my friends' houses. I hope that you get inspired to create a library. If you have a collection of books, they deserve to be displayed on shelves, and this is an inexpensive way to achieve that.